ordered a $400 labubu. This is what I got in the mail. What is this? Wait. Let me turn off the lights. Oh my god. I'm so scared. In the name of Jesus, I rebuke this demon. Can you imagine sleeping and in the middle of the night you hear this? I'm so scared right now. There's no way this thing is not haunted. Oh my god. I went back to the website to get a refund and the website is gone. Do not order rare labubus on fake websites. It's a scam. Why does it walk? Why does it sing? And why does its face turn red?